Hello guys, hope you are doing well. It is your girl Mina Gold. Thank you so much for always tapping in, and for those who are new, make sure subscribe. And today we have the class of vanilla and strawberry. So welcome so much, and these are our ingredients. Make sure you subscribe, guys. So guys, this is our ingredients, and I will show each and everything, and will show the measurement. Okay, this is our milk. Yeah, this is our sugar. Yes, this is our wheat flour. This is our baking powder. And those are our eggs, margarine, vinegar. Yeah, vinegar. We have vanilla. We have strawberry red emulsion. Yeah, and those are our ingredients of today, guys. So welcome so much to this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends, guys. Let's learn together. Yeah, okay, let's start. Okay, this is our margarine. I've placed it on the bowl, on our mixing bowl. Yeah, but before that, let me show you our baking pan of today. Our baking pan of today is a square. You see, guys, there it is, and we applied oil or margarine only. Today we applied margarine, no flour, no what. And you see the cake here. We are mixing our margarine for sometimes to be softy before adding sugar. Yeah, this is our machine. I'm just showing you the way I'm increasing the speed, and let's continue to watch. Then after that, after sometimes, I have to make sure I'm adding my sugar. Yes, I'm adding my sugar. That is my sugar. Let's add our sugar. Yeah, let's add our sugar. I'm opening the machine so that I can add the sugar. Yes, and that is our sugar, guys. And you have to start to mix it till to be mixed well, and after that we're gonna back to see what is going on. Okay, these are our eggs. As you see, I've already taken them out of the cover, and that is vanilla. We are adding our vanilla. Yes, after adding our vanilla, now let us go to our wheat flour, and we are adding our baking powder on the wheat flour. Then after that, we have to mix together, to mix well, so that to be mixed with our wheat flour. Yes, like that. Then after that, we are taking the process of sieving. It is time to sieve, and that is our sieve and our baking pan for sieving. You see, now we are starting to sieve. Coming back, now we are coming back to our mixture, guys, between butter and sugar, and we have to check. I see at the side it is like it is not mixed well, so I have to open the machine or the whisker so that I can place the aside butter at between. Here I have to do like that, and after that we leave it to be mixed well so that our sugar to disappear and our mixture or our butter to be so softy. Yeah, okay guys, this is our oven. Let me show you. Yes, when our mixture of butter and sugar to be well mixed and to be well softy. Yeah, this is our oven, luxury automatic electric oven. Okay, let's switch on the switch. Then this is the oven. It's already showing the light inside because I didn't switch off the button on the oven. Let me show you. Yeah, those are buttons, the temperature button, upper temperature or upper heat. Yeah, that I'm setting the temperature 180 centigrade. That is the light of the upper temperature, and that the temperature. Those are temperatures which I'm showing you. Yes, and here the lower temperature, that's light, and the temperature I'm setting to 180. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's come to down below. That is a switching button. You see that button? Yeah, the one which I switched on, and that is switch off. Then I'm switching on again. I'm switching off. I'm switching on. This is for the lentils inside of the oven. Yeah. Then the lower button, the small one, this is for timer, for timing, for setting time. It's having till 1 hour, 60 seconds. Yeah, when you switch, when you round. Okay, now here's our mixture. Our mixture is ready. We are starting to add our eggs portion by portion. Yeah, as usual, it is portion by portion till our mixture to be ready and to be well mixed. Yeah, you see, that is how it is. Yes, we are adding portion by portion. That's the first portion. We'll add the second one and the third one. The eggs, our mixture is ready. It is so soft and it is ready to start putting our wheat flour or our purpose flour. Yes. Then we are adding now. This is our flour. Let us add like that. Yes. We're adding portion by portion as usual, 3 times. Yeah. So this is the first time we are adding our wheat flour or purpose flour. Okay. Let us look. Yes. Yeah, and that we are starting to mix. Okay, this is our milky. We have to add milk. Yeah, we are adding milk to our mixture like that, guys. This is the milk and we leave it to mix well. Now is the time for adding vinegar. After adding our flour for the second time, that is our vinegar, and we let it mix. Yeah. This is the last time for adding our flour. Yeah, then we add milk like that, then we let it to mix well. After that, we are putting our mixture to the sauce, maybe the baking pan like that, and the remaining one, it is like that, guys. We are adding only strawberry flavor for our cake to be with the flavor of strawberry. The remaining mixture, that it is the way we use it, the color is for strawberry. Yeah, we let it to mix. Then you see this is our strawberry baking pan, and that is our vanilla baking pan. So we have two strawberry baking pan and the vanilla baking pan, like that. Yeah, it is time for the oven. It is time to put it on the oven like that. Yeah, and we let it to be baked. We are going to do it for 30 minutes. Then we are coming for it, guys, for 30 minutes. We are looking after the 30 minutes. We are looking at our cake. Then we see it is red. Yeah, and that is strawberry. Let us look for strawberry. It is red. So guys, welcome so much to this channel, and continue subscribing, comment, share and like. And this is the last decorated cake guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.